Jack, what are you doing? Ah! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, this is going on the internet.
Oh, God. What's up, buddy? Ah! Uh-oh. Here it comes again. It's a Jack attack! It's like on some sort of hurdle. Or hill. Ah!
A very low hill.
Ah! What are you doing?
Yeah, this makes me think we need like a cat tree.
I know. Oh, I guess he's done now.
He's gonna call somebody to tell him about it.